Hi dear students, welcome to the classes. The next important Neet, one of the very 100% fixed question on the Neet. Or CET, kcet, Karnataka CET or whatever CET. One question is fixed on this concept. Then you see the previous year we will come to know that. What is that concept is very important. That concept is bond order calculation. That bond order calculation question is very important. They are asking one question. It's very tricky questions and very easy way we have to solve the questions. So, what is that bond order? First, before going to calculations of bond order, we have to understand what is mean by bond order. What is mean by bond order? Then we have to go for the calculation. You know that bond order means the number of bonds between the two atoms. For example, A and B are two atoms. What is the bond between? How many number of bonds between? Either 1 bond, 2 bond, 3 bond. Either AA attached to the or AA bind by 1 bond or AA atom attached to the B 2 bonds. The number of bonds present between the two atoms is called as bond order. We know that it is learned in the first question, and also that the bond order is measured in the unit of picometer. Everything we learned in that PU session, that first PU session. Now in this class or in this video, I will tell you how to calculate the bond order very easy way. And this question is very important, dear students. Okay, whenever you're watching my videos, don't skip videos. Don't go forward. You will see the videos very continuously. You have to see. Okay, don't go forward the videos. Okay, what is this bond order calculations? One trick I will tell you, and it is very easy to remember also. You see here number of electrons. These are the number of electrons, and this is a bond order. Number of electrons. If number of electron 1, you just see here. I will tell you to an example, then you will understand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Number of electrons are 1 to 8. The bond order, how to remember this is very important. Half 1, half 0. Half 1, half 0. Half 1, half 0. Half 1, half 0. You see here. Half 1, half 0. Half 1, half 0. You remember like this. Right, first 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 to 8. 1, half 1, half 0. Bond order means number of bonds between the two atoms. Next, if number of electron, if more than 8 electron is 8 to 10, 8 to 20 I am written. In your examination they are asking only up to 20 number of electron. It is they are sufficient. You remember this 14 number. You remember this 14 number. Write first 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. In 14 number, write 3.0. 14. This 14 you have to write 3.0. And next downwards 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 onwards 3.0 onwards. Next one is, you see here, this is the first 3.5, next 2.5. First 3, 2.5, 2, 1.5, 1, 0.5, 0. In this number only difference is 0.5. 0.5 difference you have to write the number. 3, next 2.5, 2, 1, 2, 1.5, 1, 0, like this you have to write. Next, above also same. 3, next 2.5, 2, 1.5, 1, 0. Very simple, dear student. First number very first 14 3.0 very ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬಂದಾಗ 0.5 ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತ ಬರ್ಕೋತವ್ರಿ. 3 ಆಗನ 2.5, 2.5 ಆಗನ 2, 2 ಆಗನ 1.5, 1, 0.5, 0. ಇದೊಂದು ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋರಿ. This is the only simple trick. Up to after 9 to 20 it is. Before 9 to 1 to 8, remember this. 1 to 8. 1 to 8 means half 1, half 0, half 1, half 0. I hope everyone can remember this. Please, once and twice you have to write it, you will come to know. It's very simple. Whenever they are asking bond order in examination, write this. There will be some side space is there. You have to write this, and easily you are solving the questions. What is the how to solve this? How to solve the question on this? Okay, we'll take some example on this. Take O2, oxygen. Oxygen, number of electrons we have to count. One oxygen means 8. We have to calculate the bond. There are 2 oxygen is there. One oxygen means 8. 2 oxygen means how much? 16 electron. How many electron? 16 electron. 16 electron means we have to go for 16th. There will be 16 number of electrons. Then next bond order is 2. Therefore, oxygen binds by 2 bonds. Oxygen is binds by how many bonds? 2 bonds. It's very easy, right? Next, I'll go for any example. I'll go for the N2. We'll learn this. N2 means nitrogen. 1 nitrogen means 7. 2 nitrogen means 14 electron. 14 electron means you go for this. The bond order is 3. Therefore, the bond order is 3. The nitrogen binds by 3 bonds. You see here, this is what bond order 3. Very easy to right? And one important case I will tell you here, dear student. Whenever molecule carries positive charge, remove 1 electron. Remove 1 electron. If negative charge means add an electron. What is this concept? I will tell you with one example. O2 minus is there. O2 minus. O2 means how much here? Just now we calculated means 1 O2 means 16. Here one negative charge is right. One negative means what I told? Add 1 electron. One negative means add 1 electron. Therefore 16 plus 1 17 electrons. Therefore 17 electrons means bond order is 1.5. How to write this? Bond order 1.5, 1 and 1 is dotted line. This is what bond order of O2 minus. Understood? Whenever minus charge is there, add 1 electron. Whenever plus charge means you have to remove 1 electron. Go for 1 positive electron, 1 positive charge. I think you have to remember this. I will rub this and you will go for that. You see here, one positive charge. I will take that. Whenever take O2 plus. O2 means how much? 16. O1 oxygen means 6. 2 oxygen means 16. 8 into 8, 16. Next, 1 positive charge means we have to remove 1 electron. Therefore, it gives us to 15 electron. Therefore, 15 electron is bond order is 2.5. Therefore, the bond order of 2.5. This is what bond order of O2 plus. Understood? I think. Go for these bond order calculations were applicable only for homodiatomic or heterodiatomic molecule. Now more than triatomic molecules they are not. In your examinations and all competitive examinations, go for any competitive examination, they are asking only for homodiatomic or triatomic. They are not at all asking directly. I see many questions. They are asking the questions like this. Cn minus Cn O2. Next, N2. Among them, which is having highest bond order or higher bond order? Highest bond order. They are asking question like this. Among them, which is having highest bond order? Option A, Cn minus. Option B, Cn. Option C, O2. Option D, N2. They are asking question like this only. How to calculate the bond order? I told. C. 1 carbon means how many electron? 4. Carbon 4, nitrogen 7 means how many? 11. 1 negative charge means 12 electron. That's right. Next, we have to calculate first electron. Carbon 4, next nitrogen 7, 11 electron. O2 means 8 plus 8, 16 electron. Nitrogen N2 means 7, 7, 14 electron. Write the bond order. 14 electron means bond order is 3.0. Next, O2 16 means go for this 2.0. Next, 11 electron means you go for here. 11 means 1.5 bond order it is. Next, 12 electron means 2.0. Therefore, this is a bond order and this is a bond order and they are electron. 14 electron means their bond order is 3. Therefore, highest bond order among these 4 molecules is N2. Therefore, they are asking questions like this. That's why this bond order concept is very important. Whenever you understand the bond order questions, bond order concept means they are asking, however they are asking questions, we have to answer very easily. And one more way they are asking the questions. I observed these type of questions. I observed these type of questions in every year of your CET or new questions. If they are asking, one more question is here, O2 minus, O2 2 minus, O2 2 minus. Arrange the increasing order of their bond order of the molecule. They are asking the question, dear student, among the molecule, hi dear student, they are asking the questions like this, among the molecule, arrange the increasing order of their bond order. Now it is very simple. This question is how to first calculate the bond order. There are 16 electron means therefore there you see here 18 means 16 electron. Here 16, 1 minus charge means add 1 electron, 17 electron. Next go for this is what again 16 electron plus 2 electron means how many? 18 electron. They are going to be there will you see here bond order. Number of electrons 16, 17, 18 and bond order is 2.0, 1.0 and 1. Next, if so, therefore it is 2 means O2 is greater than that of O2 minus is greater than that of O2 2 minus. Then their option they are given, this is A, R, B, C, D, they are giving options. Therefore you have to choose, this is the best option. And that's why this bond order calculation is very important and very easy. You are getting a 1 marks in CT, and 1 marks also very important, dear student. 1 marks also is very important to deciding your life sometimes. This is what bond order calculations, or simple way I will explain this one. Go for any, there are so many examples in your textbook you have to solve. If you are getting any doubts, please send me, I will solve and I will tell you it very easiest form. Okay, if you like my videos, please share and subscribe my channel. And one more thing, dear student, here O2 and O2 minus, O2 2 minus is there, right? One generalization you observe that negative charge increases, and negative charge increases, the bond order decreases. The negative charge increases, the bond order means the bond order decreases. Therefore it means that negative charge is inversely proportional to bond order, and inversely the positive charge increases, the bond order increases. They are directly proportional. Okay, thank you for watching my videos. If you like my videos, please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.